My best advice for someone starting to roller skate today would be just go for it. So I've been roller skating for around 11 years now. The feeling I get when I roller skate is freedom. It's the biggest piece of freedom I've ever experienced. So I am a freestyle roller skater. I do rhythm roller skating, jam skating, backward skating, street skate, and I spin. But the skate dance is what most people know me for, is like me freestyling and rhythm skating and doing the music videos. So I got into roller skating as a child at first. I started roller skating at the beginning of the recession. Like literally roller skating at that time was, oh, you can't go to this destination, put your roller skates on, you can go there. I'm just really proud of myself, and I'm hoping that I can continue to do more for my community.